Hello everyone. To train a computer to recognize your own images, sounds and poses, Teachable Machine is a fast, easy way to create machine learning model for your sites, apps and more. It requires no expertise or coding. So Teachable Machine is a web-based tool that makes creating machine learning models fast, easy and accessible to everyone. So how do you use it? So there are some steps for using the Teachable Machine. The first step is to gather information or to gather images. So in this step you need to gather and group your examples into classes or categories that you want the computer to learn. The second step is to train the model. Train your model, then instantly test it out to see whether it can correctly classify new examples. The third step is to export your model. Export your model for your project, sites, apps and more. You can download your model or host it online for the free. So Teachable Machine is flexible, use files or capture examples live. It's respectful of the way you work. You can even choose to use it entirely on device without any webcam or microphone data leaving your computer. So first of all you need to open a browser and just open the link teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. okay. So now you can see there are already 3 projects has been added: image project, audio project and post project. For example, I want to do the image classification. I will click on the image project and there are already 2 classes mentioned, so you need to add the images to both of the classes you want to classify the images. You can also upload the images from your computer and also take the images using your webcam. For example, I'm trying to make 2 classes. Click on webcam, hold to record. So that's my images. I will rename the class with the human. Okay, so I will create another class and rename it with the mobile and take some images of my mobile using the webcam. Okay, so 44 images samples of the mobile has been added. Now I will try to train my model. So now the model has been trained and ready for the testing. As you see, human, and now when I take mobile, okay, and my face, mobile, face. You can also this was the image classification project. You can also export your model by clicking on export model, download your code, or you can upload to their website for the shareable link. Okay, so this was the image classification project. The second project is audio project. In audio project, first of all you need to add the audio samples of minimum 20 seconds and then add another audio sound sample of minimum 8 seconds for the sound classification. This is your first class. Then you can add another class for the second. The first class will be only for background noise, second class and third class up to so on. These classes will be for your sound recognition. So okay, the third project in this Teachable Machine is post project. You can also do post classification with the Teachable Machine. For example, add some sort of poses in class 1 and similarly some sort of poses to class 2 samples, and then you can train your model and you can also then test your model. Okay, thank you.